You're 18, 22, maybe even 30, and you're asking yourself, how do I even start building wealth? Maybe you're tired of feeling broke, watching others thrive while you're stuck in the cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living, or worse, drowning in debt. But imagine this for a second. What if you could break free? What if, just a few years from now, you could be the one living life on your own terms? No more stressing about bills, no more feeling trapped. You can turn it all around, and it all starts now. Stick around for a step-by-step guide on how to build wealth from scratch. Step 1. You need to take control of your financial mindset. I know, it sounds cliché, but hear me out. Wealth isn't just about how much money you make, it's about how you think about money. Most people fail at wealth building because they don't treat their money as a tool for freedom. They treat it as something to spend as soon as they get it. And if you're like the average 18 to 30-year-old in the US, you've probably fallen into the same trap. Consumerism, lifestyle inflation, and the constant need for instant gratification. But the first step to building wealth is changing that mindset. Start thinking long-term. Imagine instead of buying that new iPhone every year, you could invest that money in assets that grow over time. Picture investing in yourself, in your future. When you shift your mindset, you open the door to a world where wealth isn't just a dream, it's a reality. It starts with small choices, but they add up. It's time to decide who you want to give your money to, the influencers or your future self. Step 2. Building the right financial habits. You've got the right mindset now, you need the habits to back it up. Wealth doesn't come from winning the lottery or getting a big paycheck once. It comes from consistency, small, daily habits that compound over time. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Start with this simple trick. Pay yourself first. Every time you get paid, take a percentage and automatically transfer it to savings or investments. This isn't just about saving, this is about paying your future self. Another critical habit? Budgeting. You don't need to have an Excel spreadsheet or track every penny, just use an app or a simple method like the 50 divided by 30 divided by 20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and investments. It's that easy. These small steps may seem insignificant now, but trust me, after a few months, you'll notice a huge difference in your bank account and in your mindset too. You'll feel empowered, knowing that every single dollar is working for you, not the other way around. Step 3. The key to turning your savings into real wealth investing. It's not enough to just save, your money needs to grow. The rich don't just work for their money, they make their money work for them. And you don't need to be a Wall Street genius to start. Let's look at the basics. Stocks, bonds, index funds, real estate. These are the building blocks of wealth. But here's the thing, you have to start now, before you miss the boat. You can start with something as simple as index funds. Low fees, diversified, and historically consistent returns. Real estate is another powerful tool, but it's a little more hands-on. Stocks are great too, but here's where the magic happens. You need to let these investments compound over time. Time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from the power of compounding interest. Imagine if you invest just $100 a month starting now. By the time you're 40, you could have tens of thousands of dollars. But if you wait, that same $100 might only be worth a fraction of that. Don't believe me? Stick around until the end. I'm going to show you how compounding truly works in an upcoming video that will blow your mind. Now, here's your challenge. Make today the day you start building wealth. Take those small steps, change your mindset, set up your financial habits, and start investing. In just a few years, you'll look back and wonder why you didn't start sooner. But here's the thing, it's never too late. The future is yours for the taking. If you're ready to unlock the true power of compounding, click the link at the end of this video and dive into our next lesson. Trust me, it will change everything.